Hello everyone, thank you for joining in. I'm so sorry I am not able to do much these days, but today I have a surprise sessions for you. So today we do some doodling as we always do. So today I'll talk about So we are doing some shape doodling. So you guys just need a paper and pen or a pencil and pen if you want to go with me. And then just today I'll just show you how a simple shapes can convert into different things. Okay, a simple circular flowy shape. I'll show you how I will convert this shape into different art, sorry, different elements for doodling. So you can draw any shape and try to add this element like small pattern somewhere like this. Okay, a second way to convert that shape into a doodle, you can just add eyes and mouth. Okay, now you can combine all this together also. Eyes and small pattern. Just remember that now you have a big element in between, so rest of things should be supportive, not be your focus point. Okay, so for example like this, or I can make in this one more way. Eyes like this, and this time I'll use simple line, not fill up. Now you can slowly make variation in this with different types of eyes or expression. If you have any question, do let me know. Like this. Okay, now I'll add different character or a pattern to this. You will see with the help of only one shape I come up with so many elements for my doodle composition. Okay, how to make this shape perfectly? Okay, I'll just tell you. After I complete this, then I'll tell you how to make this shape. Now, and don't worry about the perfect shape. You can choose any shape, draw any shape and add these elements. And don't think of the end result. Right now we all are practicing, so just do practice. So whatever you're coming, whatever design coming to your mind, just try to implement that. So I'm planning to do this type of tutorial daily. So this is today we'll talk about this shape. Okay, for those who want to draw this shape perfectly, to start with a curvy line, make it wider on the top, and then touch it from the bottom. Okay, like this. You can overlap also, like this. Don't worry about the lines, you can always correct your mistakes in doodling. So doodling is a free form of art. So just enjoy the process. Okay, like this. You can see how a very nice composition is coming. Just try this. Okay, so here there is no space, so I'm leaving like this, or I want one more here, like this. So you can see a simple shape how converted into a composition. Now just highlight, just thick the lines, ink your lines outline, like this. Okay, now you can go for one element also, and or you can just go for different element also. Like here I am going with different pattern. One in one shape I am filling all the lines, like this. Okay, same I am just repeating this again and again in 2-3 shapes, like this. Okay, in some shape I just add emotion, like this. You can add different uh, shapes to this, and now here also. And this one might be a cute one, a small, like this. And here I just add some shape. So you can see how this composition has turned out. Okay, so back to this shape, I'm making more shape it. If anyone has any question, do let me know. Like this. Now you can add emotion to this. Okay, might be you add first features and then emotion. You can go any vice versa anyways, like this. Try to experiment with the shape. Don't worry about how it would look. That is the end point. Okay. Might be this time I try different type of hands. Okay. Or you can just add some accessories also, like a cat, or you might just add some emotion. Okay, you can see how this shape has turned into so many character. Okay, so here I'm just making a small composition by using this shape with different. I also add different shapes. May I know, ma'am, what is not clear? The concept is not clear, or my voice or video is not clear to you? Like this. So this is the one of the example. One example I'm using with different shape. Okay, so now I can pick any character from this and make my whole composition ready. Okay, ma'am, might be the weather condition is not good, because of that there can be issue. So I was talking about, now I'm using that shape and you will see how the composition become easy for you. Now you can just take any features from this and add to different shapes, like this. Okay, so this time I am using this hands. Thank you everyone for joining in. Now in this one I might use any mouth you can take, or I take this one, and here I just add some character to this. Here might be I'll add a normal organic shape, some abstract form, like this. Okay, here might be I use this. So if you make this type of sheet, it will be easy for you to mix and match different things and to come up with more ideas, like this. So I have this much, so I in few times only I just I can easily come up with the composition like this. Okay, and there is one more, by using only this shape only. You can make a composition only with this shape. Yeah, this time I'm joining all the shape. You can make different shapes also. So I'm keeping all the mouth same and I'm making difference in eyes only. So whatever you like, you can go like that. And here might be some cute version like this, and some character like this. Okay. So here you can even attach some rectangle and write some message there. Whatever you feel like, you can just add that. So yeah, this is for today. I hope everyone enjoy it. And if you have any question, do comment it down. I will be saving this video, and do share your creation with me. Thank you.